Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a beautiful Valentine bookmark. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and support. As you can see, I have already drawn a rough sketch. Now let's start by giving an outline. I am using pens from Brustro. You can also use any black pen. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now let's start the mandala part. For that, we start by drawing concentric circles. Now to divide the circle, I am drawing a horizontal line. Let's divide this portion again into two halves. I am doing a rough sketch of the patterns. It is always better to draw with a pencil at first so that it becomes easy to make any corrections. Let's start drawing the mandala with a black pen. Now let's start coloring. I am using brush pens, pastel pink from Domes and red from Camlin. I'm starting off with the red shade. Next I'm going to use the pastel pink for blending the two colors. Blending with the lighter shade so that gives a gradient effect. Now we can start coloring the rest of the hearts. Now I am adding some gold color. I am using gold gel pen from Uniball. You can use any gold marker or gold paint, whatever is available with you. I am adding some more gold details to the mandala. Now again, using the same two shades, I am going to color the rest of the letters. So let's start coloring the letters using red and pastel pink. Blending off with the pastel pink so that it gives a gradient effect. Keep on watching till the end so you can see how we can make a beautiful bookmark together. Now I am giving a final outline with the gold pen. You can use gold paint, gold marker. Now finally, let's add some more cute details to make the bookmark look even cuter and beautiful. If you recreate this work, do send a picture in the comment section so I can see your beautiful creations. Do let me know if you find this video useful. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do leave in your comments. So here is the final outcome of the beautiful bookmark we created. Bye for now, until next time.